A lot of traders miss out on the best swing trades because of the ugly short-term daily chart, when in reality, that ugly short-term daily chart can lead to the most consistent and explosive swing trade profits. Over the last few weeks in the Market Master Group, we've had 3 successful mean reversion swing trade alerts in a row. So in this video, we're going to talk about what exactly a mean reversion swing trade is, and we're going to break down these 3 setups so that you can find them and you can capitalize on them as well. So to give you a quick idea of what a mean reversion swing trade is, we have the stock QNH here. This was one of the stocks that we alerted in the Market Master Group. And we can see here that earlier in the year, it was trading at over $600 per share. But a few weeks ago, it hit a low of $234. So this was, of course, a very oversold stock. And we can see the RSI, of course, is going to back that up with an RSI of about 24 at the time. Anything under 30 is considered to be oversold by the RSI indicator. And the idea of a mean reversion trade is that these oversold stocks tend to bounce back up or revert to their mean, and overbought stocks will tend to pull back down. So in this video, we're going to be focusing on these oversold stocks that are setting up for a bounce or a recovery. So I want to go over the actual swing trade alert that was posted in the Market Master Group so that you can actually see exactly what the thought process was behind this mean reversion trade. And the idea here was that this stock has crashed since the beginning of the year, and I'm starting to think it's ready to turn around. It's currently more oversold than it has been since 2008, with the lowest valuation it's had since the same time, while still delivering solid earnings growth in their most recent earnings report just last week. I'm in a starter position and will plan to add for a longer-term swing trade, ideally back into the $300 area at least. Have to keep in mind the momentum is to the downside, so I would avoid this if you're not comfortable with scaling in slowly and keeping a wide risk level. At the time of this alert, UNH was trading at $240 per share. Currently, it's up about $60 per share just a few weeks later, and we can see that it's had pretty much a straight up bounce since the time of that swing trade alert. Now, the idea here is that we are not only investing in an oversold stock, but we're also investing in a stock that still has strong fundamentals and still is a strong underlying company. That's a very important aspect of this strategy because a lot of stocks can be oversold, but they can remain oversold for an extended period of time because they are weak underlying companies and they're kind of just garbage stocks with a lot of dilution. So this swing trade in particular actually had some really bullish news to back it up and to lead to that quick explosive profit. We can see that on this day, there's a big gap up from about 272 or so to an opening price the following day of 301. That gap up happened because in extended hours, there was an announcement that Warren Buffett has bought $1.5 billion of this stock. And obviously, when investors see that Warren Buffett is buying up a stock, that's a bullish signal for the stock and for the company. And that leads to a lot of demand and a quick spike up in the stock price. So that's what led to such an explosive gain. However, it was already up about $30 per share prior to that news announcement. And this is an exact prime example of what these mean reversion trades should be. So very quickly, before we talk about the other 2 setups, I want to actually show you how you can find these setups yourself so that you can capitalize on these moves. In one of my more recent videos, we talked about using ChatGPT to scan the market for swing trades. And one of the scanner setups that we were using was to find mean reversion swing trades. So if you're interested in getting a little bit more information on that, there is a full video that's going to break that down as well. But simply put, we're going to go to finviz.com. This is a free scanning software, or free screening software, sorry. And what we want to do is look for stocks that are oversold with an RSI of 30 or less. Just by doing that, we're already going to narrow the market down to a total of 119 stocks. But remember, we don't want just any oversold stock. We want stocks that are still strong underlying companies and that have potential to revert to their mean. So we're going to make sure that the price is going to be at least $10. And we want to see some strong fundamentals as well. So just kind of the bare basics here. We want the EPS growth this year to be over 20%. And by putting in that information, we've narrowed the entire market down to just 2 setups. Both of these are oversold, and both of these are going to be great potential mean reversion trades. Now, the next step from there is to not just blindly buy your entire position into these oversold stocks, but maybe take a small starter position and then look to add more shares as the setup begins to progress. In other words, once it starts to form some support, it starts to maybe form some higher lows, Or maybe there is some kind of bullish news like we had with UNH where investors or maybe the CEO of the company is investing in the stock. Whatever it might be, you don't want to be in a full position until there is something else to kind of back up the idea that the stock is going to bounce back up. But in order to give you another idea about how this can look, I want to take a look here at the Wix chart. Wix was the second swing trade that we had alerted in the Market Master group that ended up being a really successful mean reversion swing trade. And the idea for this one was that this oversold tech play with a bullish RSI divergence and a bit of intraday relative strength showing today versus SPY. Bullish sign that this is ready for a bounce play. I'm in with a small position for now, and we'll look to add as the reversal gets confirmed with some support or higher lows forming. The goal from this mean reversion swing will be to capture a relatively quick bounce back to 130 plus in the next few weeks. And at the time of this alert in the Market Master group, Wix was trading at 120. As we can see now, Wix is all the way up to about 137 or $17 higher from that swing trade alert. And what I mentioned for this in terms of the technical aspect of it is that it actually has a bullish RSI divergence, and that is kind of the setup that you would want to look for before having any full-size position in the trade rather than it just being oversold. So this of course has been selling off, making it oversold, but that bullish RSI divergence comes into play here as the stock price makes a lower low below this previous low, and the RSI at the same time is making a slightly higher low. That can be a great short-term reversal indicator. So when you have that paired with the fact that this is a mean reversion candidate, and if we look at a shorter-term time frame here, we can see that from that bullish RSI divergence, we actually have a little bit of support that forms over a few days time frame in this 115 area. So all of these things are telling us that this is a great candidate for a potential mean reversion trade. And that's exactly why it ended up being a really successful one, already up $17 per share in just the past week or so. Last but not least, to give you another example of this setup, we have DEC. DEC was an oversold long-term chart that's building some solid support nearby and starting to show a bit of intraday relative strength today versus SPY. This setup is looking great for a short-term swing trade back up into the 120 area. My plan is to scale into the support area slowly. Keep in mind with SPY pulling back a bit, this can get dragged down as well. So it will be important to monitor the market conditions and only get in a full-size position once the trend is in our favor. DEC at the time of this alert was 104. Currently DEC is now trading about $14 higher at 118, and it's already almost into our initial target area for this swing trade. So again, not just looking for an oversold stock, DEC is a strong underlying company. There is relatively strong fundamentals behind it. And on top of that, there is some solid support that is formed here over the past few months in that $100 area. So we're pairing the fact that it's oversold with some other technical indicator and with a strong underlying company to catch these really solid mean reversion swing trades. So those are the three trades that we had alerted in the Market Master group in a row. All of them have been successful so far. We actually had a new one alerted just a few days ago, and it's already up $5 per share today. So if you're interested in getting access to our swing trades from now on, we do share them in real time in the Market Master group, along with our day trade alerts and our detailed trade plans, our live custom scanner streams, and even our premium training in the Day Trade Bootcamp. That all can be found at Master the Market. There's going to be a link down below in the description. But anyway, I hope you found some value in this video, and if you did, please make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. And until the next one, thanks again for watching, and good luck with your trading.